to my channel. So today just the general brush up. Let's see what a trader has to look up from 9 a.m. to evening time. So first of all, in the morning you have to check the pre-open market. So pre-open market 59 points open, which is considered flat. When you consider bank Nifty, it is also 100 points, so this is also flat. When you check all stocks, additionally you have to check the global market also. I assume today all the global market index majorly was in negative, so people were expecting to market to go down for India. So what the retail people would have done is they would have added all the position in the PE buying, and our market will go wherever the SL is there. So it was a clear SL hunting day. Okay, we check all. So 1300 were positive, only 300 were negative. This also gives us a positive outlook of our market, but people were more into the news, so it is easily manipulated. So when you check all the small factors, you will get how market is very manipulative. So you see here long is 67 but short is 145, so clearly short is more, so market will go down. So when you indicate the short position here, so it is 77, and then put shorting is 83. So here this indicates market is going to go up, but in the futures they have the reverse position. So this happens every time only, and in the FII only you could see how the positions are add up in the options, while the DII they don't participate. Okay, now we will go and check the news. Okay, something is need to log in, right? Okay, I don't need. Okay, so these are the upcoming news you could see. Now we'll see the results. So we will pick only for this week alone, so that we'll get the idea of what's going on for this week. So these are the upcoming stocks news. When you pick just today or just 3 days, let's see. Okay, so these are the SEL till Tata Consumer. So these are the results. It's a good way to check these stocks price action, so that you will get an idea of how the stocks are behaving. Now we'll go and check the percentage. So percentage wise, IndusInd Bank, Power Grid and Hero MotoCorp are negative. So IndusInd clearly had its profit booking day, while when you check for positive side, it is 2%, 2% and 1% up for ITC, HUL and definitely HDFC Bank, because HDFC Bank up means it clearly indicates Bank Nifty will definitely end up positive. Okay, now we would go and check for price action. So price action is a bit tricky. So as you could see, everything is positive, and this is also positive, plus just one stock were negative. So HDFC and ICICI were positive, Reliance was negative. IV is indicating a good premium. So we'll check Nifty. So we'll take 15 minutes, so 1 hour to analyze the chart in detail. So here you see, so this is April month open. So here the fall, whenever fall happens, FII will add positions in call writing, right? So here it is profit booking of this call writing, so that's a reverse thing, it's going up. Plus what have they added the call buying as well, okay, with little bit of profit booking here and there. So here Feb month SL is also available, which was clearly hunted here. Okay, so this is completely SL hunting zone. Also today's bad news, people thought market will go down, but so they have added all their PE buy position in the morning first half, that is after 9. So by which you can clearly say that market has hunted all their SL, and then it just gave a close in the downside direction. So first what it did is it created an illusion that is going down, then what it made to create all the SL in the above side, and then it just went hunt all the SL, and then it gave a true move of coming down and gave a close at the same point. So here they have trickily got all the SL of the retailers, plus what they did is they actually brought the market so that it is helpful for straddle and strangle writers all as well. Okay, so always be very mindful during the last week. So I'm explaining all the bank nifty and nifty. You check for yourself for midcap nifty and Finnifty. So same condition is applicable for bank nifty as well. So here clearly you see this zone was February month's SL as well as a March month's SL. Both month SL has been hunt very quickly, but this position was very nice. So previous close already market was bullish. So what they did, it did a retracement, has shown as if market is going to come down because of news, and then quickly hunted all the SL and then exactly gave a close at the same position. So if market is going to be sideways, or when straddle or strangle will give profit when open is equal to close. So both the condition has been satisfied. So here they clearly made the profit. Okay. Now we'll go and explore somewhat in the OI. So this is basically OI. So okay. This is Nifty's OI. So let's just see clearly what has happened. So it's a sideways market and you know the price action as I told you. Next we'll take bank nifty. So here also bank nifty, clearly you see how the PE writing position has been improved. So market stays in the same zone. Okay, so market went high and gave a close here. So here this is clearly 50% retracement of Fibonacci. This means market can go down or it can go up or can go sideways to collect the SL. Any three things can, out of these three things, one thing is definitely going to happen. Okay. So the last one is straddle. We'll check for Nifty and bank nifty and then we'll wind up. So Nifty open. So we'll compare with price action clearly so that you can get an idea. So this is Nifty and let's take 15 minutes chart. Okay, so this is 15 minutes chart basically. So you could see open was clearly 24,200. So we'll take 150 as well as 200 chart, and both of them had shown a promising decay as you could see here. But you have to retain till the end so that you can enjoy the benefits. Next is bank nifty. So bank nifty also you could see the open was 55,400. So let's take 400 and 500. So this was also clearly profitable trade, but you should never lose hope here because this was clearly a trap which I just explained in the price action. So clearly tomorrow can either go down or up because of the fib levels. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.